Welcome to Einstein's Insights, a journey through wisdom. In this video, we'll unravel the profound thoughts of Albert Einstein, exploring the universe of knowledge, curiosity, and imagination. Let's dive into the brilliance of his mind. There are only two ways to live your life: as though nothing is a miracle, or as though everything is a miracle. Einstein's perspective invites us to see the extraordinary and the ordinary. Let's embrace the miraculous journey ahead. If you want your children to be intelligent, read them fairy tales. If you want them to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales. Einstein's wisdom on nurturing intelligence. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving, an insightful metaphor for the constant motion and progress in our lives. Try not to become a man of success, but rather become a man of value, a call to prioritize substance over superficial achievements. Now, let's reflect on the beauty of mystery and the connection between heart and science. The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. It is the fundamental emotion that stands at the cradle of true art and true science, embracing the beauty in the unknown. Gravitation is not responsible for people falling in love. Einstein's poetic take on the inexplicable nature of love. Never memorize something that you can look up, encouraging a mindset of continuous learning and resourcefulness. As we navigate the complexities of truth and opposition, let's remember the importance of questioning. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds, a reminder to persevere in the face of challenges. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new, embracing the value of mistakes as stepping stones to innovation. Logic will get you from A to Z, imagination will get you everywhere, highlighting the power of imagination and surpassing conventional boundaries. As we venture further, let's explore the fascinating world of science, relativity, and the harmony between disciplines. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. A call to action and responsibility. If we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? A playful nod to the exploratory nature of research and discovery. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world, elevating the significance of creative thinking. As we conclude our journey through Einstein's insights, let's remember that curiosity is the key to understanding the mysteries of the universe. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wisdom and inspiration. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.